Hey, this is Tanisha, and today I'm just doing a paint with me video, so I hope you stick around and let's chat a bit about what's been going on with the channel for the last 2 months. As some of you may have noticed, I hadn't posted, so I want to talk about that. I also want to talk about plans for the future of this channel and just get an idea what you would like to see. So I guess we just get right into it. So I've been gone. There's been several reasons actually. I moved my studio, and so that is something that was a lot of work, and so it took so much of my time to try to get that done. I had to get it done in a certain period of time, so it really caused me not to be able to record any videos or even make any art. So during this move, I haven't made art for about, feels like 5+ weeks. So this is really the first one that I had a chance to work on, and I didn't even get to finish this. So this is just a work in progress. And really I just spent time trying different, mark making tools that I have. And so that's fun. And I think we should all have time. We just play and just have fun. And basically that's pretty much what's been going on. And right after I finish clearing out my old studio, I got some news about my grandfather. He's not doing well, so I had to take a trip to go see him. It was great to see him. And so there's just been a lot going on, and it's been really hard to get back here, but I'm happy to be back, and I look forward to some new things for this channel. And some of the things I'm thinking about is definitely going to be showing my face more on here. I think it's always nice to get to know the person behind the video. I mean, it's nice to show the paintings, but I think real true connection comes from seeing the person and just getting to know who I am. Not saying that people really care about that, but I like when I get to see who the people are behind the camera. So I thought it only makes sense that I make more camera appearances. So that's one of my goals for this year. And also another goal is to do more live videos. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I just hadn't figured it out, but I think I'm close to figuring out how to put that all together. It's not that I don't know how to do a live video. It's just setting up for the live video, because I want to do more than just these small pieces of art. I want to have it so you can see me work on larger pieces of art. So that's something I hope for this year. And then I hope to put out more tutorials, more positive messages and things like that. And then what I really want to ask you is, what would you like to see on this channel? Would you like to see tutorials or more talks like this? More of the art challenges, which I'm not complete with yet, so I'm going to continue that as well. But again, my goal is to mix up the content as much as I can. Sometimes there may be times where you'll see more art related videos like this, like the art challenges, not this specific one. So anyways, yeah, I'm just really looking forward to just getting, to show my face a bit more, seeing how I can help you more. Especially if you're a new artist, and if you're not a new artist, that's fine too. I think, I'll be honest with you, I find that I learn so much from different people, so many different things. So I feel like we all have something to offer. So whether you're a new artist or not, I think, there's a possibility we can all pick up something from each other. So I just love to hear from you and just see what you think and what you'd like to see on the channel. And I really look forward to doing more than just the challenges on here, and hopefully my life won't be as busy, and I'll be able to keep on track. And I was pretty proud of myself, because last year, 2023, I pretty much put a video out every week, except maybe if just more towards the end of last year's when it got rough, but that was just due to some unexpected things that happened in life, as I explained earlier in the video. But anyways, I really miss, putting out the videos and chatting with you in the comments. So I really look forward to that this year, and just really providing, more information and sharing more about my art techniques or how-tos and there's so many things I could share on here. So I look forward to doing that. So anyways, if you're still here, definitely comment, leave a comment and let me know what you think, what you like to see. Anything around abstract art. I also make polymer clay earrings, and those are my two main things. And I also dabble into jasminite. I'm not sure if you heard of that, but I love jasminite. But there's so much more than that. But for now, let me know what you think, and I look forward to hearing from you. So I hope you continue to enjoy this paint with me session here, where I'm putting on some iridescent paint from Golden, which I never used before, so I thought it was pretty interesting, the effect that it gives. So I'm having a lot of fun here, just playing around, putting different things on here. I don't really have a plan. I have no idea where I'm going here, but just having fun. I felt like after 5 weeks of not doing any art, it was nice to just get in here and do something. Have you ever had those times where you couldn't be consistent with your art practice? If so, I'd love to hear more about it in the comments. I've had pockets of that over the years, but I've actually had years where I couldn't do any art because my previous job was so hectic. I really couldn't do any art. So those weren't the best years, but I'm so happy now that I have more time to work on art. So as I was saying earlier, this is not a complete painting. This is pretty much where I ended for the day. I definitely have a lot more I need to work on here, but it was really fun just playing around with different tools and using that iridescent for the first time. So anyways, I really look forward to the next upcoming videos and to seeing your comments. Talk to you soon.